Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking announcement that could reshape the future of technology in the United States. Former President Donald Trump has unveiled a $500 billion investment in artificial intelligence, AI, through a bold initiative called Stargate. This historic move promises to catapult the U.S. to the forefront of global technological innovation, with implications for industries ranging from defense to healthcare. In this video, we'll break down what this investment means for AI, how it positions the U.S. as a tech leader, and the potential impact on our daily lives. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest tech and innovation news. Let's dive in. The Stargate initiative is not just an AI program, it's a massive national effort to revolutionize technology across the board. Here's what we know so far. Stargate aims to advance AI research and development, focusing on breakthroughs in machine learning, robotics, and quantum computing. The project will involve collaboration between government agencies, tech companies, and academic institutions to ensure rapid progress. The $500 billion investment will fund R&D, infrastructure, and education to build an AI-ready workforce. What do you think about the scope of the Stargate initiative? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. This massive investment isn't just about staying ahead in the tech race. It's about transforming industries and improving lives. Here's how. AI could revolutionize early disease detection, personalized medicine, and remote patient monitoring, making healthcare more accessible and efficient. Advanced AI systems could strengthen national security by enhancing threat detection, automating surveillance, and improving decision-making in real-time scenarios. AI-powered learning platforms will provide personalized education, helping students and workers acquire skills for the jobs of tomorrow. AI will optimize energy consumption, develop sustainable technologies, and improve climate modeling to combat global warming. Which industry do you think will benefit the most from AI advancements? Share your opinions in the comments. With this investment, the U.S. is doubling down on its commitment to dominate the global tech landscape. Stargate positions the U.S. to challenge China's aggressive push in AI development, ensuring technological and economic leadership. The initiative is expected to create millions of high-tech jobs and boost the economy by fostering innovation-driven industries. By advancing AI, the U.S. ensures that it stays ahead in the race to develop cutting-edge technologies critical for defense and cybersecurity. Do you think this investment will cement the U.S. as the global tech leader? Let's discuss in the comments. As promising as it sounds, there are challenges and concerns surrounding this massive AI investment. How do we ensure AI is developed responsibly, avoiding bias and safeguarding privacy? Automation and AI may lead to job losses in some sectors. How will the workforce adapt to these changes? Critics question whether $500 billion is the right allocation of resources, given other pressing national issues. What concerns do you have about this investment in AI? Share your perspective in the comments below. The success of the Stargate initiative depends on its execution. Here's what lies ahead. Achieving breakthroughs in AI will require collaboration and sustained investment over the coming decades. Educating the public about AI's benefits and addressing concerns will be crucial to gaining widespread support. The initiative will need to track its impact on industries, employment, and society to ensure its goals are met. What are your predictions for Stargate's success? Let us know in the comments. The Stargate initiative represents a bold step toward a future shaped by innovation and technological leadership. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits for industries, the economy, and society are immense. What do you think about the $500 billion AI investment? Is it a game changer, or are there better ways to spend this money? Let's have a conversation in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on groundbreaking tech initiatives. Check out my other videos for deeper dives into the technologies shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the possibilities.